Hello Odoo, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to print payment summary report based on date in Excel format. So let's see about that, how to work it. You can see here module Dev Payment Summary Report. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to invoicing app, go to customer and see here this menu payment summary report. Now click on. Select here start date to end date and payment by customer or supplier. I want to by customer and now click on this payment summary and see here your printed payment summary report in Excel format. Display above start date to end date. Payment type is customer. Display here partner name, payment name, date and total amount and also display here invoice details. Now I want to print by supplier and see here printed report by supplier. Payment type also display here supplier. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.